Oh, that's like fingernails on the chalkboard, isn't it? But did you know that's intentional? So why are there so many different kinds of screws? For 100 years, slotted or flathead screws were the standard. But then when power tools started to become more prevalent, flathead screws were hard to stay centered. Like as it was screwing in, the bit would tend to wander. So it was hard to kind of keep it in the groove. There aren't just different shapes to keep the tool aisle interesting. Each one solves a different problem. Speed, grip, cost, even just keeping people from tampering with stuff. So they're hoping that the average person won't have the proper tool in order to disassemble it. All right, so the flathead screw was used a lot with furniture making, but it's not great with power tools because it can slip, and it's not great with torque. So in the early 1900s, the Phillips head was patented, and it worked great with power tools because it was self-centering. So when you put the screwdriver tip into the screw, it kind of stayed locked in, and you didn't have to worry about it sliding around. And it made for a faster assembly. The design also allowed it to cam out, so that would prevent them from over-tightening things while they were doing the assembly. So that's why when you tighten something down and it bottoms out, the screwdriver bit kind of pops out so that it doesn't over-tighten. And then we have two other types, which is the square bit, or Robertson, and the Torx bit, which is kind of a star pattern. So the Robertson was developed in Canada. It's used in appliances and electronics, also for deck building. This happens to be a deck screw. Okay. In the 1960s, the Torx bit became more popular. It has good grip strength, and it does not cam out. And this actually, along with wood screws, it was also used in automotive and electronics. Since they don't cam out like a Phillips head, they give you the ability to apply more torque. All right, so depending on what you're working on, you might need a variety of screwdriver bits handy. So down in the comments section, be sure to let me know what your favorite is. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.